From FX Empire, this is Chris taking a look at the gold market. As you can see, the gold markets have gone sideways in general, and therefore I think we're just kind of hanging around the $1,700 level. The $1,700 level is a large round figure that a lot of people will be paying close attention to, and therefore you need to be very cognizant of what's going on. Ultimately, I do think this is a scenario where we could break down, and if we break down, look out below. This pair could really kind of come undone, or this market could come undone. If we take out 1680, that's kind of my line in the sand. Anything below there, and this thing falls apart. That being said, I think you should also take a serious look at the 1750 level. It's an area that I think is going to cause a lot of issues as well, and therefore makes quite a bit of sense that we would see this type of behavior. No interest in trying to get too cute with this. I do think it is probably only a matter of time before you fade rallies and take advantage of the overall downward trend.